The start of a new year is a great time for a glow up. Dr. Heidi Cook, owner and medical director at the spa at West Glen, is here now with a way to enhance our appearance this year. I feel like we were just talking about resolutions, vision boards, things like that.
Yes.
Beauty, appearance is always a topic for people.
Yeah, it's a perfect time just to get yourself feeling a little better.
And you have a great new protocol.
Yes.
Talk to us about the West Glen Glow Up.
The West Glen Glow Up. So it is a combination of sculpture treatments along with a little bit of filler. So how it started was kind of my interest in Sculptra. I really like this product. It is a injectable, so we inject it into places where we want collagen to build. It is different than a filler. A filler is a gel implant that we inject, and that implant is going to stay there. So with Sculptra, it goes in and it basically creates the environment within your skin to build collagen, but the Sculptra molecules get out of your system within a good month. So it's not like there's an implant left behind. The thing is, we are relying on your body to make collagen when we're doing Sculptra. Because of that, it's a little bit of a delayed gratification treatment. And you do 3 treatments and your best results can be 6 to 9 months later. So it's very natural, it's a very gradual build. It's great if you want to be inconspicuous about it because it's not like a big difference immediately.
So people down the road are just like, oh wow, you
exactly.
Look, yeah.
It is a kind of a gradual glow up.
Yes.
And so I really like it for that. I really like the collagen build. Some people get a little frustrated because they want a little bit more immediate gratification or just a little something to give them a boost. So that's the reason why I decided to combine some filler also. So the filler will give them more immediate volume, and we can personalize it as to where we use the filler.
So they really kind of work together to give you this glow up right away, but then also down the line.
Exactly, exactly. So you do the 3 Sculptra treatments, and then we can do the filler right at the first treatment, or we can hold off, and so it's very much something that the patient and the injector can decide how do they want to do it.
And we're seeing some pictures, so kind of talk to us about we can definitely see a difference.
Yeah, and those 2 are mostly showing in the mid face or in the cheek area, the more immediate gratification from the filler.
Okay.
So those are Contour and Lift, which are Restylane fillers. And then the pictures that they showed, this is Sculptra. So you can see how she's a little bit more hollow. She's lost a lot of volume in that lower lateral face, and the collagen is just a slow build to kind of give you that fullness, that youthful fullness that we've lost.
And I think we've talked about this before, because down here, everything, gravity,
it
starts falling.
Yeah, so you lose your bones thin, and so you lose your foundation, or at least some of your foundation. Your muscles are weaker, so they're not holding everything up. Our fat pads drop with gravity, so everything just kind of falls down. And then as we lose collagen, and we start losing collagen when we're 30, everything kind of falls forward. So it's in an effort to pull things back, kind of give you that tightness and some of that turgor back to your skin.
And who would be a good candidate for this? Is this 30s and above, any age?
Especially for Sculptra, anytime I would say mid-30s or after. Now, I want to preface that by saying everybody ages differently with genetics, but mid-30s is a great time to start with Sculptra, but even someone in their 50s or 60s can definitely benefit.
And this, again, something we can call and get a consultation and see maybe what would be best for us?
Yep, and I would do, it is a conversation. Some people are totally fine with the delayed gratification, and they may only want Sculptra. That's totally fine. We can just do that too.
But the West Glen Glow Up, one of the January specials this month.
It is, yes.
Well, thank you so much for being here.
Thank you.
Happy New Year.
Thanks, you too.
Thank you. Well, you can set up an appointment online at spawestglen.com or call 515-207-6788. Dr. Heidi and her team are located off Mills Civic Parkway in West Des Moines. You can follow her on social media for more skincare tips and to learn about the latest product trends.